I'm gonna be shooting the gun I just reviewed like 7 minutes ago. Dab. I don't know why I did that.
You don't have to say dab, but okay.
Okay, so
shoot the thing away.
Shut up, Caden.
Okay, fine.
So I'm gonna be shooting one.
No, just kidding. Shut up.
The bullets are already in the chamber. So let me take this shot. Here.
Shoot the thing away. Here, shoot the thing away.
Hold that thing.
Shoot the thing away, Winona.
Okay.
Those are the cans.
Alright. So I'm gonna hit. And
Nice shot.
And never do this inside of a house. It's probably super dangerous.
You almost killed someone.
I had already shot in this bottle with a pellet gun, but that's
Look
what
at the dent.
that's what a BB gun does. This is what a pellet gun usually does.
Show me that you did.
This is what I did right now. This is what a pellet this is what usually a pellet gun would do, but this is what one of my pellets once did. So
yes, you hold it live.
I'm not holding live.
I said you holding it live.
Oh, whatever. Well, now I'm gonna be...
Should I stop the video or no?
What? Did you stop it? No, you haven't. You're good.
I stopped the video. What? No. He's gonna try with that nice pistol now.
It's I believe a Colt 1911 model.
Yeah, because he knows what guns are.
Because this boy's stupid.
What's a gun? Okay, we're not on no gun. Shoot that baby, shoot that baby, shoot that baby.
And you should be wearing eye protection because that bullet just went all the way back at me. By bullet, I mean BB.
Wear goggles.
Yeah, or mask.
Or a mask.
I'm not sure where I got the hit. I'm going to shoot it again. I didn't see where it hit.
With what gun?
My pistol.
These are the bullets.
They know what a BB gun is?
I don't think some people don't.
People know what a BB gun is.
I would say something, but I shouldn't. So I'm not.
Here, I'm going to load one BB on this one.
Shoot that baby, shoot that baby, shoot
I'll shoot it again.
Here we go, towing it up. There you go.
What the hell? Oh, it's not on.
His gun is not working.
No, my mag wasn't in properly. There we go.
I feel that you need a mask. So,
here is the damage, a little bump. If that was a person wearing like a t-shirt, that would have hurt.
If you took it in someone's eyeball, chances are you have to go to the hospital.
Yeah. What do I think about this gun overall? It's pretty accurate. Not the best gun. It was just $100 for both of these. For $100, it's a decent gun. It's pretty nice.
Oh, that's a whip-off.
It's
I will make you pay $50,000 million for one.
Shut up, Kate.
Just for just for that one point there.
That's gonna be the end of me shooting these crazy guns. Pew pew.
Crazy.
This is 4 minutes. This took longer than showing them.
Yeah, tore off.
Shut up.